So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover or restore your Trust Wallet account. So here all you have to do is basically have your 12-word manual backup passcode. If you don't have that, you have no chance of getting it whatsoever in the future, because this is the only way and you cannot get it through any type of way. You can't even go through managers, you can go through online chat, you can go through account recovery systems. There's nothing else, just that. So in these settings, all you want to do is go to your security preferences. So you want to go security. So I have my Face ID right here. So you want to, so wait, let's just find it. So here in main wallet, here you have your wallet. So let's add a wallet. For example, you have to create a new wallet. So here you will have your secret face. You can back up manually, or you can back up using your iCloud if you're using iOS. So basically you can start using your Trust Wallet now. So basically when you go to wallets, you have wallet 1, wallet 2. So here you can back up now manually. So here you will see your actual passcodes for your wallet. So there you go. So back it up right now, and you can, because you will never recover anything else in the future. So if this helps, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.